Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make some base 10 blocks today for our 11s and 12s lessons. So you're going to make these with me and then save them for today's lesson and tomorrow's lesson. So I'm going to show you two ways to make base 10 blocks. So if you remember a base 10 block, the flat in school, the big square, is worth 100, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to make some 10s and some 1s, okay? So I'm using just 3-inch Post-its here. If you have 3-inch Post-its, those work great, and if not, I'll show you one more way. So I took my Post-its and I just took off maybe 4. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, about 4 pieces. And I'm going to cut them maybe like 1 centimeter and just cut all the way across. And that long right there is going to represent a 10, okay? And since there's 4 there, when I cut once, then I got 4. Okay, now I have 8. You need about, we'll say 15 longs, 15 10s. Okay. So those are my 10s. So I have a stack. And if this was 100, okay, sorry, you can't see that. If that was 100, then we would say that this maybe is worth 10, 20, 30, right? Okay, now we're gonna cut another strip to make our 1s. Okay, so there's some 100s, some 10s. I'm gonna cut another strip. Keep it, remember this is a stack of 4. Okay, and I'm gonna pick up that stack of 4, make it nice and even, and just cut little squares. So again, you need about maybe 15. Okay, that's plenty. So when I'm finished, then I should have some 100s, which are just a plain square, some strips that will represent the 10s, and a pile of little squares that will represent the 1s. Okay, if you didn't have Post-its, this is just plain paper, and I have a couple pieces together, okay? And I'm gonna fold it. Let's see. I'm gonna fold it to make a square. So I'm gonna fold a corner down. And that'll represent my square when I unfold it, okay? So I'm gonna fold a triangle corner until it looks even on both sides. So you can make a little square. And again, I have a stack here. Okay, so when I unfold it, then I have a square. Then I can have some for 100s, and I could cut some strips for 10s. Okay, just do your best. These don't have to be perfect. We know that they're 10s. And then I'm gonna cut another strip for 1s. So those are my 10s, and then these will be my 1s. So a couple ways to do it. If you have Post-its, it's super simple. If you don't, regular paper will work just fine. And then you have your 10s, your 100s, 10s, and 1s. We're gonna use these today in our 11th lesson, and we'll also use them for 12. So when we're done today, don't recycle them. We will need them. Okay, thanks, third graders.